Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashlynne's Accessories. Today I wanted to just go over a few tips for when you're getting accessories for a new Acura that you're purchasing or for one that you already own. If you're looking to purchase a new Acura and you choose to add your accessories at the time you purchase the vehicle and add them then, any accessories that you add will follow the vehicle's new bumper-to-bumper warranty of 4 years or 50,000 miles. If you want to purchase genuine Acura accessories for an Acura that you already own, even if it's a few years old, we can still order accessories for you. And we also provide a 1 year or 12,000 mile warranty to those accessories. This is another reassurance to our customers of the quality that goes into these vehicles so that you feel confident in what you're driving for many miles ahead. For more information on genuine Acura accessories, visit us online, give us a call, or come down to the dealership to see me and view our catalog.